Imagine walking through a bustling city, but instead of just concrete and glass, you see a hidden world of edible plants all around you. Urban foraging uncovers vegetables, fruits, and herbs that flourish amid the sidewalks and parks, from dandelion greens to wild mint. To start, one must understand the importance of identifying safe and edible specimens. Always consult guides or apps for verification before tasting. For example, a few urban parts hide pockets of stinging nettle, a nutritious plant when properly cooked. While gathering, maintain respect for the environment by only taking what you need, ensuring future generations can enjoy nature's bounty too.